Let's talk about fuzzy matching. This is a new feature in Power Query, and I want to introduce you to it. This is something that you should know about. Also, you should be careful with it. Here we have some donor data, and then we have their email addresses in the data set in columns F and G. The data is super messy. Look at JC Girlando, Caroline Girlando, and then we have Judy Caroline Girlando, all the same person. So in a perfect world, we would get Judy Caroline Girlando's email address next to both of those entries that I've highlighted. Another one, QMCS Mayor Smith USN retired. Mayor Smith, all the same person. And then we have Brittany Bannon, Dr. Brittany LaCroix Bannon. And then in row 12, we've got Brittany misspelled with 2 T's. So this is crazy. Let's see what fuzzy matching will do for us. Data, queries and connections. I've already made the donor and the email queries. Don't look at those other queries at 25%, 50%, 95% yet. We'll get to those. But right now, we are ready to do our merge. We're going to do a left outer join. Here we go. Get data. Combine queries. Merge. We want donors and then emails. Match up name. Give myself some room. I'm going to select use fuzzy matching. Expand. Now I want to set my similarity threshold. It's optional. The default is 80%. Check this out. We need to put in a number between 0 and 1. The default is 80%. Leave it there. Hit OK. There's the left side of our join. Let's expand the right side of our join. Don't use original column name as prefix. OK. Remember that our default was 80%. So it's going to make 80% matches. In rows 1 and 2, JC Girlando and Caroline Girlando have no match. There was no 80% match. Rhino Harrison is fine. It did pick up Tab Williams and Tab Williams III. It made matches with Brittany Bannon and Brittany Bannon with 2 T's, but there is no match for Dr. Brittany LaCroix Bannon. But look at the bottom. Helen Lang is matched with Helen Lang in row 18. In row 19, Helena Long is matched with Helena Lang. That's the kind of thing you have to be careful of with this. So let's call this the 80% query. Close and load. Now let's look at these other queries that I made. Here is the 95%. No matches for JC Girlando and Caroline Girlando. No match for QMCS Mayor Smith USN retired. At 95%, what it looks like is we got pretty good results. Not everything is matched, but there isn't anything crazy. All right, let's look at 50%. It did match up Tab Williams and Tab Williams III. But look at the bottom. We've got 2 Helen Langs and 2 Helena Longs. Each one of them was matched with the other. So we've got Helena Lang matched up with both Helena Lang and Helena G. Berlin Long. But there is no match for Diane Chen in row 8. Now let's look at 25%. Everything is matched up. But let's look. Yes, JC Girlando and Caroline Girlando are properly matched with Judy Caroline Girlando. Beautiful. Immaterio Ursino is matched with Immaterio Smith in row 8. No, that's not right. Immaterio Smith is matched up with Mayor Smith in row 10. No. It did get Diane Chen and Amy D. Chen. So these are the kind of things that you have to watch out for with fuzzy matching. You gotta be strategic with this. So that's fuzzy matching. Play with it. Make your own data sets. Adjust those levels and see what you get. And there is your fuzzy matching.